Hello and welcome back. It's been 2 weeks since I posted my last video, and in them 2 weeks, you've got to bear with me, I keep getting out of breath. In them 2 weeks I caught COVID. Yeah, so that was pleasant. I went the whole time of COVID happening, looking after my missus with COVID, looking after my daughter with COVID, never catching COVID. And I thought I was immune. I thought, yeah, there's no way I'm going to get it. Yeah, I got it. After 3 years, it found me, and I'm still not right, if I'm honest. I'm still not right from it. It was a bad week or so, quite a bad week or so. So anyway, but we must move forward. So here we are. I'll be customizing and making my own exhaust in this video for this Polo, because the Polo's exhaust fell off. Yes, it fell off. So yeah, I'll show you how bad it is underneath in a sec. Right, under here, if you can see, it's properly hanging down. Let me get around the front and have a look better. Get down here. You can see here the exhaust has come away right in the seam. You know, the usual spot where it welds into there. That it's proper just come away. So my plan is, apart from that middle section there, just a straight pipe from here back. The pipe I've got is slightly bigger, but yes, if you hear me out of breath, it's just because of I had COVID. Right, so let's get this off and see what I can do here. There we go. Okay, well, that is now broken off, completely come out. You can see all the baffles inside. Oh, I might want to reuse that actually. That'd be good to reuse them underneath. So my plan is to cut here, right there, and then just bring this straight out using a piece of pipe I've got. Yeah, bring that straight out using a piece of pipe I've got. This is the straight pipe. The pipe I've got is slightly bigger, but I've got a reducer. Is it a reducer or an expander? Whatever way. I've got a thing that makes it from small to bigger, and then I've got to put some brackets on to hang it, and that should be, job's a good one. Let's get cutting. Right, now I have this. That exhaust on the Polo is 1.5 inch, and the pipe that I've got that I want to put on is 2 inch. So this reducer should go onto the Polo and then go onto the other exhaust I've got, slide on, clamp up, job's a good one. I've just realised I forgot to buy a clamp. My plan was to weld it on, but I can't be asked to take the whole exhaust off to do this, so I was just going to weld the big end onto the big pipe, and then I was going to use a clamp on the little end so I could put it on and take it off whenever I wanted to. So for now, let's just see if it fits. Okay, yes, that does fit on there rather nicely. And right up here, you can see, here's the hangers where I want this exhaust to go. So I want to have this exhaust about there, and then a pipe coming straight out. Okay, this here is the piece of pipe I've got, which I'm going to make the exhaust out of. Plus it'll look a bit nicer when it comes out the back, a little bit thicker. This is, I don't know if you recognise this, anyone that remembers the side pipe thing. This is the other side pipe from the truck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this. It's a bit manky here, so I'm going to cut it there, get a nice clean edge that bit will slide into there. I'm going to get the length I want to come out where I want it to be, and then I'm going to cut the other end. Then I'm going to weld in the hangers to hang it, and then this should work. I'll give it a good clean up with a wire brush and a what do you call it? But yeah, so the exhaust goes, it'll work. For now, I might even buy a little nice little rounded rolled tip to weld on or something. But for now, it will give me an exhaust. So let's cut this. Well, I am about to weld this onto the top.
few moments later.
There we have it. One exhaust to replace the back box on my Polo. The correct end that will go in with just a clamp. The other end neatened up, which that will be hidden under the car. Ow, that's hot. That'll stick out. My lovely end just to put a nice chrome tip on. Made out of an old bit of exhaust I had in the garden. Put a bit of rust treatment on that. Straight under the car. Just need to get a clamp for that end. Oh yeah, I just need to figure out where I'm going to put the hanging brackets. Happy days. Okay, right now we've got the exhaust on. We've got the exhaust here. This goes up here. I'm trying to get where I want it to sit. I want it to sit about there, maybe. I'm trying to get this to tuck nicely underneath the car there, where it needs to sit properly. Then I'm going to make the brackets to suit. Right, let's just figure this out, shall we? So that's on there, that's on there. As you can see, that's on pretty solid. Just need to sort the bracketry out now. Okay, I don't know if you can hear that, but this is what we're working with now. It's a bit loud. Let's give it a rev. Okay, sound test. Oh shit. Okay. Let's take it for a little bit down the straight. You ready? Traffic lights in a minute, have a listen. Okay, well, there we have it. The straight pipe exhaust on the Polo. You never actually saw how I attached it, did you? Look at the state of that. Oh my god, look at the state of it. Straight pipe. Yeah, that was just meant to be just a temporary fix. God, that's loud. Straight pipe. It's quite cool though. To be fair, it looks quite good for this angle. Look, I don't know if you can see. Looks quite good from this angle, sticking out. It'll work for now. It'll wake up a lot of people for now. I've still got lots to do on this, lots of videos to make. Now I'm starting to feel a bit better. This wasn't a great video today because basically I'm still not 100% from COVID, but and to be fair, I could have done this a lot better. But just for now, it's getting me back into the swing of things. It's, I've got a straight pipe on my Polo, which is really loud. And yeah, next I'll be finishing the back wheel arches. I've got paint to sort the paint out. I've got that's already bought. I've already got sanding stuff. I've already got all the stuff to do bodywork and paint on the car now. I've got the front, something to go on the front. They spoiled it then. Something to go on the front. Yeah, I've still got other bits to do yet. So for now, I'm going to call it a day. I fixed the exhaust, kind of bodged the exhaust, but it will do for now. All right, till next time.